happiness comes first. Never coming with the stress, yeah. I be like, tell me later. I believe I pass it up time.
Hi, welcome back with me Kirani. In this video, I will tell you about how I can get into my major, the aquaculture major at Tidar University. So it's like this. When I was in the 11th grade of high school, I really like cats. In fact, I often bring home abandoned cats that my siblings and I find on the street because I feel sorry for them. I take care of them no matter whether the cat is a purebred cat or a domestic cat because to me they are the same, a cat and also a living creature that deserve a decent life. In fact, several times, whenever a neighbor finds an abandoned cat, they always brought it to my house in the hope that the cat will be looked after by my family. Then one day, it was during the fasting month in 2022, approaching the 12th grade of high school, my cat was poisoned. I was late in providing help. I didn't know what to do, and there was no vet clinic near where I live. Yes, there was, but the distance from my house is very far. My cat finally died, and I felt so guilty because I couldn't do anything at that time. Since then, I've dreamed of becoming a veterinarian so I can help cats and other animals that need help. When I entered the second semester of grade 12, which was the college registration period, I planned to enroll in the veterinary medicine study program Brawijaya University in Malang. However, my parents didn't agree with me because the university located, which is quite far away, and the main reason was that my parents didn't really like that major. They suggested that if I wanted to study medicine, it would be better to go straight to general medicine. Then, coincidentally, at that time, I joined the tutoring for department consultation. At that time, I said that I wanted to take a major that was related to animals, besides becoming a veterinarian, and the university must be outside of the city Solo. Because I used to think studying outside the city was fun. At that time, registration for the SNPP or report card grade had just opened. My tutor advised me to enter the pure biology department at Jember University and aquaculture at Tidar University, where the chances of passing were high. After completing the consultation at home, I told my parents they don't agree with pure biology, but they agreed to aquaculture at Tidar University. They said that if I studied fisheries when I graduated, I could set up my own business in that field. I thought that if I didn't pass the report card route, I would still register for veterinary medicine via the test route, even though my parents didn't really agree. But it turns out I passed the aquaculture study program at Tidar University. When I opened the announcement, I felt sad and happy at the same time. I'm happy because I don't have to worry about looking for campus anymore, and sad because that way I had to give up my dream of becoming a veterinarian and failed to become part of Raja Brawijaya 2023. But that's okay because I think helping cats doesn't have to mean we must become a veterinarian. There are still many ways. I remember about 1 week ago when I was returning home from Magelang, I met a woman at Yogyakarta train station. She sat next to me and talked with me. She once told me like this, your dream doesn't have to be one, you can have more than one. For example, like me, a doctor in hospital, as well as a lecturer, currently undergoing doctoral programs. Just go through it patiently and diligently, and God will give the best for you. I was surprised because that statement really related to how I've been feeling in the last few weeks. I feel very tired studying away from my parents. I feel like I want to move to a university that is close to my house, but there are several of my friends who support me to continue studying in Magelang. I'm very grateful. Thank you.